Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Easy Talk English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. Great to be here with you today.
Today, we're going to talk about something really important, something that can change your life.
Well, that sounds dramatic, but
I know, but it's true. We're going to talk about thoughtful speech.
thoughtful speech. That means thinking carefully before you speak?
Exactly. Choosing your words wisely, speaking with intention.
This is such a valuable topic, not just for English learners, but for everyone.
Right, because the words we use every day really matter.
They do. Words can help people, or they can hurt people.
Exactly. So today, we'll talk about what thoughtful speech is, why it matters, and how to practice it.
In simple, everyday English.
All right, let's begin.
Hey, Sarah, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about thoughtful speech today.
Yeah? What made you think about it?
Well, I was in a meeting this morning, and someone said something really harsh.
Harsh? You mean unkind?
Yes, they criticized someone's idea in front of everyone, very bluntly.
Oh, that must have been uncomfortable.
It was, and the person who was criticized looked so hurt.
I can imagine.
And I thought that could have been said so differently, so much more kindly.
Right. Same message, but gentler words.
Exactly. That's what thoughtful speech is all about.
So what exactly is thoughtful speech?
Thoughtful speech means you pause before you speak.
You think first?
Yes, you think about what you want to say, how you want to say it, and how it might affect the other person.
That's a lot of thinking.
I know, but it becomes a habit with practice.
Like a muscle you train?
Exactly. A great way to put it.
So thoughtful speech is really about being aware of your words.
Yes, being intentional, not just saying whatever comes to mind.
Some people just blurt things out.
Right, without thinking, and sometimes that causes problems.
What are some phrases we use when we want to speak thoughtfully?
Good question. One common phrase is, if you don't mind me saying,
That's polite. It prepares the other person for your comment.
right, or I might be wrong, but...
That shows humility. You're not completely sure, but you're sharing your thought.
Exactly. Another one is, I was thinking about what you said and...
Oh, I like that. It shows you were really listening.
Right, it shows respect for the other person's ideas.
What about when you want to give criticism? When you disagree?
You can say, I see what you mean, but have you considered...
That's nice. You acknowledge their point first.
Yes, you validate their idea, then gently offer another perspective.
That's much better than just saying, you're wrong.
Much better. You're wrong is not thoughtful speech.
Can you give me an example? Like a real situation?
Sure. Imagine your friend cooked dinner for you, and honestly, it wasn't very good.
Oh, that's a tricky situation.
Very tricky. Without thoughtful speech, you might say, this doesn't taste good.
Ouch, that would hurt their feelings.
Definitely. But with thoughtful speech, you might say, I love that you made this for me. Maybe next time we could try adding a bit more seasoning?
Oh, that's so much better.
Right? You appreciated the effort and you offered a gentle suggestion.
The message was similar, but the feeling is completely different.
Exactly. That's the power of thoughtful speech.
Let me share a story.
Please do.
A few years ago, I said something to a coworker without thinking.
Uh-oh. What happened?
We were in a group discussion, and she suggested an idea. I said, that won't work.
Just like that? Nothing else?
Just like that. No explanation, no kindness.
How did she react?
She got quiet. The whole room got awkward.
I can imagine.
Later, my manager pulled me aside. She said, you might be right, but how you said it wasn't helpful.
That's good feedback.
It was. I felt terrible. I apologized to my coworker.
That took courage.
It did. But I learned a big lesson that day.
What lesson?
Being right doesn't matter if your words are unkind.
Oh, that's so true. Beautiful lesson. Let's talk about some other phrases for thoughtful speech.
Okay.
Let me think about that for a moment.
That's good because you're not rushing your response.
Right. It shows you take the question seriously.
What about in disagreements?
You can say, I understand your point, I just see it a little differently.
That's respectful. You're not saying they're wrong.
Exactly, just a different perspective.
What about that's interesting? Can you tell me more?
Oh, I love that one. It invites dialogue.
And it gives you more time to think before you respond.
That's a sneaky but smart trick.
Exactly. Buy yourself a little time. Sarah, why is thoughtful speech especially important for English learners?
Great question. I think because when you're learning a language, you might misuse a word accidentally.
And accidentally sound rude?
Yes, without meaning to. So being thoughtful and polite in your choice of words is extra important.
That makes sense. A word that seems neutral in one language might be strong or rude in English.
Exactly. So it's better to be gentle and careful.
And if you're unsure, you can always ask.
Yes. Is that the right way to say it? Or did that come across correctly?
Checking in with the other person. That's thoughtful too.
Absolutely. Let's talk about pausing before you speak.
The pause is so important.
It really is. In English conversation, a small pause is totally normal.
People won't think you don't know what to say?
Not at all. A pause shows you're thinking carefully.
That's actually more impressive than rushing to speak.
Right. It shows confidence and thoughtfulness.
What do you say during the pause to fill the silence?
Great question. You can say, let me think, or that's a good point.
Or, wow, I hadn't thought about it that way.
Yes, these are called filler phrases.
They give you time to think without awkward silence.
Exactly. Native speakers use them all the time.
What about when emotions are involved, like when you're angry?
Oh, that's when thoughtful speech is hardest.
Right, when you're upset, you want to say everything immediately.
And sometimes those words are not kind at all.
What do?
You take a breath. Literally, take a deep breath.
Does that actually help?
It really does. It slows you down.
And then what?
You can say, I need a moment, or can we talk about this a little later?
Give yourself time to cool down?
Yes, coming back to a conversation when you're calmer leads to much better words.
That's wise. Very wise. Let's talk about compliments. Thoughtful compliments.
Oh, I love this.
A generic compliment is, you look nice.
That's fine, but not very specific.
Right, but a thoughtful compliment is, I noticed how patient you were with that difficult customer today. That was really impressive.
Oh, that's so much more meaningful.
Because it shows you were paying attention.
Yes, a thoughtful compliment is specific and sincere.
It makes the other person feel truly seen.
That's a beautiful way to put it. Truly seen. Okay, let's do a quick practice together.
Okay, fun.
I'll give you a situation. You tell me the thoughtless response and then the thoughtful one.
All right, I'm ready.
Your coworker presents a report that has some mistakes.
Thoughtless response. This report is full of errors. Did you even proofread it?
Ouch. Now the thoughtful one.
Thoughtful response. Thanks for putting this together. I noticed a few small things we could fix before we send it out. Want to go through it together?
Perfect. Same issue, completely different energy.
The thoughtful version actually solves the problem. The other one just creates tension.
Exactly right.
One more situation.
Okay, your friend is late to meet you. Very late.
Thoughtless response. You're always late. I've been waiting forever.
We've all been tempted to say that.
Thoughtful response. Hey, I was a little worried. Is everything okay? I'm glad you made it.
Oh, that's lovely. It shows care instead of blame.
And maybe they had a good reason for being late.
Right. You gave them space to explain.
Thoughtful speech doesn't assume the worst.
That's such a good point. All right, let's wrap up with a summary.
Okay, what are our key takeaways?
Number 1, pause before you speak.
Give yourself time to think.
Number 2, use gentle phrases. I might be wrong, but have you considered?
Number 3, be specific and sincere, especially with compliments.
Number 4, when emotions are high, give yourself space before responding.
And number 5, ask questions instead of making harsh statements.
These 5 habits can truly transform how you communicate.
In English and in any language.
Before we finish, I want to say something to everyone watching.
Please do.
Your words are powerful. They can lift people up or bring them down.
Every day you have a choice.
Choose words that build connection, not walls.
And remember, thoughtful speech is not about being perfect.
It's about being intentional, trying a little harder each day,
With practice, it becomes natural.
just like learning English itself.
Well said.
Thank you. All right, everyone, that's all for today.
Thank you so much for watching Easy Talk English.
We hope today's lesson helped you think about the words you choose.
Practice thoughtful speech today, even in small moments.
Leave a comment and tell us, what is one situation where you want to speak more thoughtfully?
We read every single comment.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.
New English lessons every week.
Take care of yourselves and each other.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.